Hey, hey, hey! How are our best viewers? I'm Daryl and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will... Hi guys! So tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumamit ng chopstick based on how I know. How to use chopsticks nga ba? Ano lang to, short tutorial. So first step natin guys on how to use chopsticks, kunin niyo yung isang chopstick and hawakan niyo siya na para kayo naghahawak ng ball pen. Like this. So second step is kukunin natin yung isang chopstick and ipapasok niyo lang siya dito in this hole. So, papasok natin yung isang chopstick like that. Tapos, iano niyo siya dito sa finger na ito. Dapat dito siya naka-sandal. So, ipapasok natin yung isang chopstick like that. Very easy guys. See that? Tapos, third step natin is ipupush nyo lang siya. Tapos pagpapantayin nyo lang siya guys. See that? After nyo siya i-push, okay na siya guys. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin for eating. So, yun yung kung paano humawak ng chopsticks. Tanan! Charot. So guys, kakain na tayo. I'm with my cousin. Say hi!
Hi guys!
Our food today is Pansit Mickey. I cook it guys.
Dati na pinakain.
So let's start eating guys.
Sila kita ko lang ganito.
Big bite. So that's it for today's vlog guys. Sana naturuan ko kayo kung paano gumamit ng chopsticks. Thank you guys for watching.
Let me see it, but you let me see it.